Okay, so the last thing that you need to do, let me move this out of the way, is come over here and you would be uploading your paper 408 or your 504. So I gave you like a scanned copy, let's so to speak, of a paper 408. So I want you to link it here to Anna. So you're going to come over to Schoology. You're going to open up your week 5 folder and you're going to click it open. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download it to your desktop, and it's going to look just like that. And I would like you to go to your drive, open up your case manager folder please, and just click on new, file upload, and right here. And you would open it. Okay, so don't forget to fix your sharing settings. So you're going to right click on this, share, take it off restricted. Oh, gotta move this guy out of the way. There we go. Anyone with a link, and copy link and hit done. You're going to come right over to your caseload document, go right into here, right click, insert a link, and you're going to go paper 408, come right into here, right click, Control V, and hit apply, and it's all set.